Good morning everyone, this is Philip with Spoke Trails. This is another day of freezing temperatures. I'm in Raceway Woods. We're very lucky that Camber is taking care of these trails and they're groomed the trails. We had some nice snow coming down the last couple weeks. So right now it's around 11 Fahrenheit. Lighter up. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Well, good job.
Thank you. When the trails are groomed this way, it's really not that slippery. Obviously you go a lot slower, but you would think you'd be sliding all over the place, but it's actually not that bad. You gotta be careful not to touch the sides where the deep snow is, because that's when you're gonna fall off your bike. The tire gets stuck in the snow and that's it. We're supposed to have some warmer temperature coming tomorrow, and the whole week it's probably going to be between 30s and 40s. It's gonna get soggy in here, so they will have to close the trails. So this is a perfect time for people that don't own fat bikes. Now is a perfect time to ride. It's a really good workout, much harder to pedal up the hill on the snow. You really get to test your bike handling skills on the snow. You need to have really good balance. When you start sliding, so beautiful. It doesn't look like you're in the Midwest. Looks like you're in Colorado. Look at that. There's some pine trees, all covered in snow. This is awesome. My brakes don't squeal. I had my bike serviced by Spokes Bikes. They did a very good job. I had this bike since 2017, and this was my first major service where I had the fork tuned up, fluids changed, brake fluid flush, new pads and rotors, all this stuff. Feels amazing. Feels like a brand new bike. And I'm riding 2.8-inch tires, so a little wider than the regular mountain bikes. And when I put less than 10 psi pressure in the tires, get a little extra weight and grip for these conditions. Still not a fat bike, of course. You know, this is amazing. I know these trails very well, but in winter, in the snow, when everything is covered in white, it feels like a brand new trail that I never ridden before. Also, all the imperfections, all the roots and everything's covered and groomed, so you don't feel any bumps or anything. Just completely different experience. Yeah, I choose the harder way. Oh, good save. Oh, some more riders. So let's join them. You know, winter time, you would think a cyclist kind of take a break, right? But a lot of them actually, including me, are working even harder than in summer. Many of us have indoor trainers. I enjoy the platform Zwift because there's so many people in there. Every day there's like 50,000 people cycling. That's insane. So many events on Zwift, so many races, group rides, for every style, for every level, beginners to professional riders. Train for gravel racing, train for long rides. It's like having a personal coach. They did a really good job with that platform. Oh, there we go. My first fall. Oh yeah, slippery. But yeah, I'm Zwifting in my garage. My wife forbid me to use our bedroom. Because, you know, you sweat a lot and then it stinks and it gets kind of like almost moldy dew inside that room in this when the heat is on. So when it's really freezing, it's freezing in the garage too. So like right now, when we got 10 Fahrenheit, that garage has probably around 30 Fahrenheit, maybe a little less. I just hit a tree in my hand. Another nice hill. Good morning.
Oh, sorry.
How you doing? You all right? You can see how many riders have fallen from their bikes. See these steps in the snow on the side? Many of them are mine. Everybody left their mark here. Oh yeah, this is fun. Up. I was here yesterday with my dog. That was fun too. But I fell a few times because she doesn't slow down in the turns, and yeah. Yep, no studs are required when it's like this, nicely groomed. It's not icy, it's just packed snow. I really want to get a fat bike, but we're thinking about moving and we're saving money for a bigger car. So It's not gonna happen this year. Also with the fat bike, I would need a bigger rack. I can barely fit these 2.8-inch tires on my rack, but definitely one day I'm getting a fat bike. It's definitely worth it. I rode a fat bike a few times and it's a lot of fun, different experience and more enjoyable in the snow. Plus, if you're very competitive, there are plenty of fat bike races in Wisconsin, Michigan, and even Illinois when the conditions are good. All right, I'm gonna do one more lap. Just the other direction. And that'll be plenty of workout for me today. Hi, thank you. I think I'm gonna take a left here. All right, let's go. Oh no. It's a bad spot to get off the bike, especially when I didn't shift into higher. You need to have super quick feet to put your other leg on the pedal. I am getting sweaty.
Three back.
All right.
Two back. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Morning.
Morning.
Last one.
All right. Hell yeah. Woo. There's a big boulder between those trees and you don't even feel it. It's sitting nicely under the pack snow. Such a smooth riding. This is more fun. Whoop.